love to come out for a free consultation. Lindholm Roofing. Our family has your family covered.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. You're listening to Chicago's all-news station, News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM, WBBM.
WBBM News Time 10:25. A check of the markets from Bloomberg. Here's Elisa Parenti.